12 years of my life were wasted because of one thing: communication skills. From school to college, whenever someone argued with me, or a teacher suddenly called on me, or I tried talking to a girl I liked, my mind went completely blank. Every word just disappeared. But the moment I was alone, 100 perfect replies would flood my head, and I'd think, if only I'd said that. That one weakness cost me friendships, opportunities, and confidence, until I finally decided to fix it. Here's what's actually happening when you freeze up. Psychology calls it an amygdala hijack. When you're under pressure, your logical brain temporarily shuts down. You're trying to listen, control your body language, think of what to say, and worry about what the other person thinks of you, all at once. That overload is why words stop coming out. 1. Enter uncomfortable situations on purpose. Talk in class, join debates, argue with friends for fun. Every time you put yourself in pressure, your brain learns to handle it. Confidence is built in the field, not in your head. 2. Sharpen your mind daily. A blunt axe takes twice the effort. Play chess, solve puzzles, do basic math. Most importantly, question everyday things. Why does this work this way? What's another solution? This trains your brain to think fast and respond smart, automatically. 3. Train your voice. Hold a pen horizontally between your teeth and speak full sentences. When you remove it, your clarity instantly improves. This is the same technique used by actors and public speakers. Also, consciously open your mouth more when you talk. It makes your voice sound stronger and more confident. 4. Feed your brain the right content. You can't give a smart reply if your brain has never heard one. Watch debates, celebrity interviews, stand-up comedians, great public speakers. Don't just watch. Observe their pauses, their body language, their timing. Then slowly bring that into your own conversations. 5. Practice in safe zones first. Don't jump into a tough situation without rehearsal. Try witty replies with friends. Practice in front of a camera. Let your brain train in a low-pressure environment, so when the real moment comes, it responds automatically instead of freezing. Step into discomfort. Sharpen your mind. Train your voice. Watch the right content. And always practice before the real game. Do one of these today, and you'll feel the difference faster than you think. Subscribe for more.